Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate the voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, if we go to the voice recorder, and if we open a voice recorder, or actually the voice memo that we have created, that we have recorded, then we should be able to find the transcribe button. So we can press it. This might take a couple of seconds up to a minute, and sometimes the device might have issues with detecting the language, so we should be able to also choose the correct language if needed. Once the transcript is done, because first we need to do the transcript, then over here in the top right corner we have this translation icon that we can press, and here we can choose the language. So here we have the source language, and here we have the target language, and we can choose the target language over here. And then if you scroll down, scroll through the transcription, you will find the translation over here. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!